Yeah, I'm recording this, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm gonna record it as well. Oh, okay, my recording. Oh, it's no swiping now.
Full 1080p. You little shit. Call him on the forums. I'm salty, man. I'm salty. Cause that we actually started the game well.
People ruining the game, man. I just don't understand what any what.
Look at that lock on.
Watch it.
Look at that lock on.
Who are you watching at the moment? Yeah, he's following
Murphy.
someone.
He knows what they are through trees.
Yeah. He's got X-ray because he's not even looking at where he's going. It's actually interesting to watch. A retard in real life.
A real life specimen. You would say.
They exist. They're just camping here. Oh my god, little shit. This guy's got 10 kills. His teammate has.
How do you check this?
It's in the top right.
Oh yeah.
0 kills. And oh my god, it takes ages to load the next player. They're just camping here. They know we're watching. You can see when people are watching you, that's the thing.
Yeah. So
They can also see that little eyeball in the corner.
Yeah, that's why they're doing that. Oh well, I mean.
They're getting hunted at least, which means they'll
fight. Is it bad that I'm so salty that I'm willing to ruin their fun just by watching them? Like I'm willing to make them just sit and camp.
I mean, I don't mind. I am.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. Look at that. Who are you looking at, mate? Who are you looking at? I mean, yeah, they're nice trees, but...
Oh, fucking drop shot. My god.
Oh.
Did you see?
The
Did
fuck
you see
was
it
that?
Flick?
The fuck was that?
It locked onto someone.
Bro, the thing is, there wasn't even anyone there. You must have been looking at
No,
someone
they're probably
behind the hill.
Yeah.
Like...
Yeah, he locked onto someone behind the hill because his thing just snapped to it. That's hysterical. Look, yeah, see, he's there now, look!
Oh, now you can see him. Oh, perfect headshot. Oh, wow.
Twice in a row.
Wow. So good.
That was almost a quick scope, really.
It actually was.
With, you know, minimum effort. He didn't really try any. He didn't, like, it was almost like he knew he was there. Some could say. Now, I wonder if that's a perk in the game.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You can't even see.
Bro, what the fuck? Golden AK, obviously. Long range weapon. Lord knows that he's not very good at fighting close range.
Why is there a report function in this game?
Wow, the jump shot. Okay.
See? What the fuck?
13 kills.
Wow, this guy's so skillful.
Wonder if we can chat to him.
Oh wait, should we just expose him in match? Oh no, you can't.
No, you can't anymore.
Feel like Murphy's a hacking loser.
Wait, were you able to all chat before?
Yeah, you can, when you're playing in main, when you're alive, I think.
I don't know. I think that might have been a bug.
Oh, okay.
Because
I
it was
don't know.
only
I was
in.
using it the other day.
Yeah, me too. But I haven't seen it since. I haven't been able to use it
Oh, I'm gonna
since.
try it next round then if we play another. Got an absolute loser though. Is there like a
I'm just wondering how this
competitive-
guy's a level 132 and he still hasn't been banned. Like that just shows me that it's really, really shoddy anti-cheat.
Mm.
I mean, there were hackers on Apex for a while as well.
Yeah, I know. Again,
Which
that
is
was really
annoying.
shoddy anti-cheat.
Anti-cheat, yeah.
Fucking easy anti-cheat is fucking garbage.
They
The reason
just
why
need
it's called
to-
easy anti-cheat.
Because it's easy to get past it. So he's just aiming through that rock. He's like, that
He
guy's
actually
behind that rock.
is.
Yeah, that's a nice boulder.
That's a nice boulder. I really like that boulder. I like that boulder. Jesus Christ, man. I'm just kind of astounded at how,
This guy is so bad.
no, he's so good. What do you mean? He's got all those kills.
He's so bad.
No, but Harvey's got all those kills. And he insta-headshot everybody in the game.
Do you know why he hasn't been caught yet? Because he's so bad. Like, he can see where everyone is on the map. And he's still just camping. That's how you know he's absolutely terrible. That's the only way he knows how to play the game. Even with cheats. Nice. Nice.
I honestly wish I could just tell them. Like the other team, I'm like, he's hacking. Just like, don't bother. Or like, don't feel bad about your loss.
I am your loss.
Going this way.
Oh, my.
Oh.
Cheeky. Ah, yes, I can see him clearly through that tree.
Nice tracking. That a bit as soon as he
Very
peeked
good.
up. As
Very good
soon as he
tracking.
peeked behind the tree, his cursor fucking locked him to the center of him.
No, it was also, it was
That
all
was
manual.
so obvious. What
No,
the
it was all
fuck?
mechanical skill, William. What do you mean?
Oh my god.
All of that solid mechanical robust skill. I hope he dies to the gas. Fucking cunt. Oh, it's not even that late of a round. He's not dying to shit. Like he like fuck. His thing's so bait. He can't even click at the right time. That's a joke.
No, it's because they're moving like, and because there's bullet travel time. Like
He
he
doesn't have to compensate. for
like
it.
too much
He's
of the
like,
lockup,
oh.
so they can just outrun it.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what we should have fucking done. We should just kept running. Oh no, not hacking at all.
Oh, found
Looks like-
someone. Found
Looks
someone.
like he's got fucking Parkinson's. He's shaking his mouse about so vigorously. He's like, I'm gonna get that flick shot.
I see movement.
Oh, do you?
do you really?
Are you sure about that one? I think he's
Oh, the
Fucking
so
idiot.
stupid.
Oh my god.
The baitist guy. I wish I could click on his name or something.
I know.
I hope you're recording this, Harvey. I really
I
do
am.
hope you are.
I'm recording it as well.
Meanwhile, his teammates just.
Yeah, where were they doing?
I would be so
They-
bored if I was them.
Yeah,
you?
like it just. Yeah, I would be.
They haven't fired a single shot.
I'd be bored hacking. Like I don't. Well, not bored, I guess, but
I
like
know.
I just don't see the benefit in it. You're not gonna improve as a player.
I mean, I've done it before in COD 1, and it's fun for like 1 or 2 games, and then you just get bored.
I'm telling.
It's
I,
interesting.
so-
I had chameleon skins. Oh, that's a chameleon.
yeah, through the door, yeah.
Yeah, mate. You know you can actually shoot through that door. That's how bad he is. Look at him. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even.
Made his friend take the bullets for him.
Yo, I'm
Pro
done.
tactics.
I've actually had enough. That's ridiculous.
I mean, I've seen enough. Like, we can go to the next game if you guys want. It's just so blatant.
How many people are left alive? I don't know. I'm tempted to just see it through now. He's got 21 kills.
And he's got a gas
One of it-
mask with 1 HP.
One of his teammates has one.
I'm
What's
ready
the
for the
other one
next game.
now? Yeah, should we just play? The other one has none.
Yep.